following contains clips from a B2B Interviews exclusive interview. To access all of our interviews, as well as our terms, policies, and 17B disclosures, visit b2binterviews.com and follow us on social for alerts and updates on new interviews as they go live. Good day and welcome to another B2B exclusive. Our guest today is Matt Waterhouse, Chief Executive Officer at 3D Metalforge. Matt, bring us up to speed with a brief introduction and overview of the company.
We're what we call an additive manufacturer. We use 3D printing technology to design parts for clients, do diagnostics where we can help clients identify good parts for additive manufacturing. We focus on sectors like oil and gas, energy, maritime, defense.
What major trends you see affecting your core business?
I think the big trend that we're seeing is wanting a lot more flexibility in supply chains. So with additive being able to produce parts when they're needed, where they're needed, it can really give a lot more flexibility to companies for shorter production runs, so you're saving transportation costs.
Do you feel you have the infrastructure in place to handle this additional growth and demand?
We've been developing what we call intelligent additive manufacturing, which is a way of combining materials, software, and equipment to produce this range of services for clients. Our immediate plan, though, is to open a facility in Houston so we can produce parts locally for U.S. companies.
Why should investors consider 3D Metalforge as a long-term investment?
We're revenue positive and have been for a few years. The sector is amongst the fastest growing, which is the move to manufacturing. Thirdly, I think sustainability is going to be a very important part of companies. They're looking at our particular position. We also move into international markets. We kind of know what we're doing overseas, so that gives us a good starting point as the industry and us ramp up. We've got a very good management team that's been working on this for a while, and the recent additions to the board, I think, give us even more depth and perspective.
To access the full interview, visit b2binterviews.com.